Unleash control with a tool that transforms your creative workspace into an intuitive command center. The Tourbox Light bridges the gap between efficiency and precision, giving digital artists, editors, and photographers a tactile edge that speeds up workflows without straining budgets. With 8 strategically placed buttons capable of executing over 100 customizable actions, this controller offers both simplicity for newcomers and deep functionality for experienced users. Designed for seamless compatibility, the Tourbox Light works flawlessly across all creative software on both Mac and PC. Native integration and macro support allow users to bind complex commands into single gestures, turning repetitive tasks into smooth, time-saving motions. With up to 30 custom presets, every project can have a tailored layout that adapts to your rhythm. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The YAPO Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget. It's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices, phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. It also features a detachable connection hub with USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI ports, providing flexibility and fast data transfer whether you're connecting monitors or hard drives. The magnetic design lets you use the hub independently or seamlessly docked. Imagine waking up to the cleanest water your home has ever known. Water that hasn't touched a truck, bottle, or municipal pipe. This advanced countertop filtration system delivers up to 2.5 gallons of revitalizing alkalized water every single day. Drawing inspiration from NASA technology, the unit combines a proprietary water filter with a double-layer air filtration system that uses carbon felt pre-filtering and twin UVC sterilization chambers for unmatched purification. This isn't just filtered water. It's water that's been transformed into a wellspring of daily wellness. Each drop is stripped of microplastics, harmful metals, chemicals, and bacteria. What's left behind is pure, local hydration with a silky, fresh-squeezed taste. Whether it's for morning coffee, post-workout hydration, or family meals, you'll taste the difference and feel the vitality. Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and locked-up joints. The Flexispot V6 redefines your workspace by integrating movement directly into your workflow. This isn't just another chair, it's a full-on fitness companion disguised as an ergonomic office seat. Designed to help you cycle while you work, the V6 fights fatigue with every pedal and fuels mental clarity through active sitting. Its precision-contoured cushion cradles your body, relieving pressure during long hours, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool under deadlines. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. Integrated into its sleek form is a 10,000 milliamp-hour power bank, providing backup energy for phones, tablets, or accessories wherever you're working. The real-time LCD display offers at-a-glance insights into battery status and airspeed levels, making adjustments intuitive and efficient. Halo's smart design also includes a programmable ambient light, allowing for personalized workbench lighting or clear visibility in dim environments. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. No need to drill or attach sticky pads, just clip and go. Some desktop tools earn their keep. This one earns respect. The Notera Wedge Desk Organizer is a smart and durable upgrade to the traditional notepad. Crafted as a sleek Wedge Desk whiteboard dry erase board, it brings precision to productivity with a clean glass desktop whiteboard surface that's easy to write on and wipe clean without ghosting. Whether you're managing deadlines, jotting down quick reminders, or outlining next steps, this Wedge fits seamlessly into your workflow. Measuring a compact and ergonomic size, the angled board doubles as a subtle storage solution. Transform how you work, think, and manage your digital world. With 4 vibrant 18.5-inch displays working in perfect sync, your workflow becomes a panoramic experience, clear, efficient, and remarkably immersive. Whether you're handling data analysis, creative design, or multitasking across platforms, this powerhouse setup reshapes what's possible at your desk. A single cable is all it takes to bring this system to life, connecting your device to 4 full HD screens without the tangle of extra cords. The built-in graphics chip takes on the rendering load, delivering smooth visuals and freeing up your computer's own GPU for other tasks. With up to 15 versatile display modes, ranging from mirror to extended, grid to vertical stack, you can tailor the layout to fit your workspace and working style. SoulCube offers an innovative way to memorialize your pet, allowing you to preserve their memory through a personalized 3D hologram. This groundbreaking technology helps pet owners reconnect with their pets long after they've passed, offering comfort and healing. By transforming your photos and videos into a lifelike 3D avatar, SoulCube brings your pet's spirit back to life in a way that feels intimate and real. The interactive hologram created by SoulCube doesn't just stand still, it responds to your presence. With cutting-edge face recognition and hand gesture technology, you can interact with your pet's avatar as if they were still with you. Whether you want to pet them or just see them move, SoulCube's hologram brings this experience to life. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. For nighttime walks, the Night Safe Light feature illuminates the path ahead, keeping both you and your pet visible. Meanwhile, the gesture recognition system adds a touch of modern convenience, enabling you to control various functions through simple hand gestures, allowing hands-free operation. The Focus Timer is an elegant and practical solution for those seeking a seamless way to manage time using time-blocking methods like Pomodoro. This simple yet innovative device employs a rotating mechanism to effortlessly set a timer anywhere from 1 to 100 minutes, providing a tactile, engaging experience without the need for digital distractions. The time is displayed through a series of colored rings, blue for minutes and yellow for tens, each slowly depleting as time passes. The true magic lies in its frictionless operation. Flip the timer over to start a session, and once the time runs out, simply flip it back to reset it, maintaining consistency in your work intervals. This intuitive design allows for easy time management without the need to check your phone or computer, which can lead to distractions. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. The memory foam conforms to the contours of your wrists, ensuring personalized support. The Mini Proka 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8GB to 32GB, the Mini Proka 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. The multiple SSD options ranging from 512GB to 2TB ensure quick data access and ample storage space for your files, games, and media. The standout feature is its 7-inch touch inbuilt screen, which offers vibrant visuals with 4K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate for a superior viewing experience. The AOXO A1X stands out as a high-performance portable device engineered for seamless multitasking and immersive experiences. Powered by the AMD HX370 chipset, it ensures rapid processing and effortless handling of demanding tasks. The device is equipped with an 8-inch native landscape display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate that enhances fluidity and responsiveness. Whether for gaming, media consumption, or productivity, the variable refresh rate display optimizes visuals for every type of content. Its 72.7 watt-hour battery ensures long-lasting power, allowing users to remain productive or entertained without constant recharging. Integrated LPDDR5X 7500 RAM offers fast data processing, while the PCIe 4.0 SSD guarantees rapid file access and quick load times for applications and games. The LilyGo Typoboard S is a versatile and compact development board that brings an impressive array of features tailored for developers and enthusiasts. With 4 magnetic connectors featuring quick connects, it ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration with various modules. This flexibility is enhanced by 5 screens, with the option to replace the 5th screen position with a rotary encoder for expanded control. A standout feature is the 14 programmable RGB LEDs, offering full customization with adjustable brightness, allowing you to create an immersive user experience. The Petkit Purabot Ultra is a cutting-edge self-cleaning cat litter box designed to offer convenience and hygiene. With advanced features such as AI camera technology and 5G Wi-Fi control via a phone app, it's tailored for modern pet owners. The Purabot Ultra is engineered to make waste disposal as seamless as possible, with true hands-free auto-scooping that activates with each use. Its anti-pinch sensor ensures safety by detecting any potential obstructions during operation, while the Pet Facial Recognition System allows for personalized care, ensuring only your cat uses the system. The app gives you full control, allowing you to monitor and manage the litter box remotely. This functionality also provides updates on your cat's health, offering insights into their litter box usage patterns. The Accara Motion Sensor P1 delivers a high-performance experience with exceptional functionality and future-proof design. One of its standout features is the impressive 5-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability even in extreme conditions like low temperatures or rapid detection timeouts. Offering customizable sensitivity, this sensor can adjust its detection range to 3 levels: high, medium, and low, helping minimize false alerts and providing flexibility for a variety of installations. Furthermore, the detection timeout is fully configurable via the Accara Home app, allowing adjustments from 1 to 200 seconds to fit specific needs. This means the sensor won't freeze, and it will remain fully operational. Introducing the IFrame X Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the IFrame X Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, IFrame X Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities. Additionally, it can function as a PC status monitor, giving you instant updates on system performance, CPU usage, and memory stats. No more wasted space or forgotten devices. This tool is designed to make your tablet or phone a productive part of your routine. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. This microscope features a dual-screen setup, enabling users to share what they see with others in real time, enhancing collaboration and learning. The included free app makes it easy to capture and analyze images or videos, extending the device's functionality beyond traditional use. Furthermore, the RGB optical staining technology adds versatility, allowing different staining techniques to highlight specific details, improving visibility and accuracy. The OBSBot Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. The 1/2-inch sensor enhances image quality by capturing more light, ensuring sharp, bright, and true-to-life visuals even in low-light environments. Gesture control adds convenience, allowing you to make adjustments without touching the camera, perfect for hands-free operation.